So this is the Euro-Yen analysis for Wednesday the 27th of September. Now, let's just have a look what's actually happened here. And so, we're looking at the 26th, okay? So, what's happened? We've had price come down. It has not got down to the level I expected, which was 131.70. We've in fact come down to this moving average here in black, and we've bounced off it to the decent bounce, to be fair, from it. Let's just have a look. So this moving average was about, let's just see, this moving average, let's just put it on the chart anyway. Moving average was sitting at 131.80, and price had come down to it, pierced it somewhat. We're going as low as 131.70, and let's just say 75, so 5 pips away from my my level that I've marked out in the chart of 131.70, and we've moved up to 132.46, and this is on the hourly chart. We've gone above the 20-period moving average. So let's just have a look at the higher time frames. We do know we're in a strong uptrend with prices closing near the highs, with the exception of last month, was it? Yeah, last month we did close near its highs. We did have it did seem like an inverted hammer, but it did close bullish. Now this month we have pushed up, but we are closing, we do appear to be closing somewhat off the height of the month. And so yeah, we were overall bullish on the market in terms of the monthly time frame and the monthly trend. But if we do go down to our preferred, well, the highest time frame I look at in terms of entries, the 1 hour chart, we are trading below the weekly open of 33.45. We have seen price come down below it to near the 200-period moving average, a retest from beneath, and as it was going to sell off all the way to near the 131.70 level. Now, if we do see price continue to strengthen to the upside, we'll be looking at this this orange moving average here. I think this is pretty much the 50-period moving average. That's in and around 132.68. Above that, we do have the 200-period moving average at about, it should be about there, it's about 33.20. Then we have the weekly open. So there is quite a bit of resistance above, but resistance and support break eventually. So we've got the 200-period moving average, we've got the weekly open 33.45, and above that we've got that big level where price stalled 134. We did pierce it a couple of times to the upside, but it couldn't be held. Well, it wasn't held, and we've sold off. We've pulled back quite a bit from it. So if I have a look at the daily chart, I suppose it might be it's going to be a similar picture to the pound dollar. No, it hasn't been. It's pulled back a bit too far to consider it a bull flag. Yeah, it's considered pull back. Yeah, it's pulled back too far to consider a bull flag at the moment. So my overall bias on the euro yen is to the short side, considering the fact that we are trading below the weekly open of 33.45. We do appear to be in a period of reversal at the moment, so wait for that to play out and see if we get any signals to the short side for a probably proper test of 31.70. A break and hold of that, we'll be looking at 30.60. And yeah, so before I go, LCS, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.